Suppose that a corporation borrowed $300,000 at a simple interest rate of 6.5%. If its debt was settled using a payment of $306,050 on February 28th, when did they borrow the principal amount? Let's use the I equals PRT formula, and I'm going to isolate T by taking the interest and dividing by PR. And we know that if we take the future value, which is $306,050, and subtract the present value of $300,000, this should tell us the amount of interest. So capital I is equal to $6,050. We can go ahead and substitute that into our formula for T, and then we'll put in the principal amount of $300,000, as well as the rate of 6.5%. And simplifying this expression gives T as a decimal number of about 0.3102564. Now this value that we calculated is given in years, and what would be helpful for us is to determine the number of days. So if we take our value for T, which is given in years, and we multiply by 365 days per 1 year, we should get the total number of days. And doing this gives about 113.24 days. So we want to be able to use the DBD function on our calculator, so I'm going to round this up to 114 days. And then let's go ahead and get the DBD function ready on our calculator. We're going to scroll down to DBD. We're going to program in 114 and hit the Enter button. And let's scroll back up so that we can see the premise of our question. We know that the date when everything was paid off was February 28th. Or in other words, our DT2 should be February 28th. That's 2.28. And let's take the year 2023 as an example. And now we should be able to scroll up and ask the calculator to compute our date number 1. And date number 1 comes out as November 6th, 2022. So we can conclude here that the initial amount was borrowed on November 6th of the previous year.